Hi guys, going for a test drive in the Zeekr 7X. So let's check out the outside. This is in a grey color. So very nice. Very sleek car. We have driven it back to back with a Tesla Model Y. Check out the door handles. And there are cameras all around the car. Cameras under the side mirror. Comes with Continental Eco Contact 7 tires, 255/50 R19, same size, same rim size. And for now in Malaysia spec, you don't get that Stargate thing yet, but only available Stargate for the performance model. So this is the headlamp. Can you see the headlamp? Yeah. Very nice. Check out the bottom of the bumper. This color is amazing, truly amazing. So let me show you the inside. Quick preview of the inside. The meter is like a Porsche Cayenne. You get this very nice lights, and then very nice seats as well. Much better than the Tesla. More supportive than the Tesla. So at the side you get ambient lighting here, and then ambient lighting at the front, and then you get Zeekr sound, 21 speakers. You get 14-way seats. Okay. Adjusting the side mirror from this button, just like Tesla lah. Then first impression, this car is very like a normal petrol car. Feels very similar. The pedals, the brakes, very nice. How long do we have to wait for this car?
This car is depends on color, about 2 to 3 weeks time.
Oh, that fast. Okay, so waiting period is about 2 to 3 weeks. That's very fast. Can we turn down the aircon a bit? This in the lowest. Okay, we just want to feel the. Okay, it's quite thick. The window glass is quite thick. In terms of insulation, very similar, or slightly, very slight, quieter than the Tesla Model Y. But the pedal, this is more forgiving. I go straight, is it?
Turn left or go
turn left.
straight U-turn.
Okay. We'll let the ambulance go first, Okay. U-turn,
Yeah.
Okay. Power is very punchy. So the driving dynamics for this car is better than the Tesla because it's not a one pedal driving mode. So you see me taking the corner. This car rides higher than the Tesla Model Y. Has got better visibility, and the acceleration is very smooth, very smooth. Okay, we go through all these humps and bumps. Flawless, very comfortable. Oh, acceleration is very nice. Braking, let's see. Braking is more mild. You don't get the very jerky type of one pedal driving braking from Tesla, but you get used to it. But this one you don't have to. This is very close to the petrol cars. So the interior, you get a feel that material is slightly different from Tesla's. A bit rougher, but still then looks very luxurious. Okay, for seats, I prefer these seats to Tesla seats because Tesla seats is a bit soft, a bit springy. This is more firm. Do we go straight or turn right?
Go straight.
Straight. Okay, so this will be the most popular choice or most popular spec among all Malaysians because the company has already set the price below 200,000, giving you 600 kilometers. So you get Zeekr sound, 21 speakers, right?
Yes.
21 speakers. So between this and the performance, what are the difference besides the additional motor?
0 to 100 is 3.8 for the performance.
Okay,
And
this is 6 seconds. Okay.
the air suspension.
Okay, the performance you get air suspension.
Yeah, and then the 20-inch sport rim.
Okay. Is this Napa leather or normal leather?
Normal leather.
So the performance get Napa. Okay.
So the seat also comes with the ventilation and
Okay.
also the massage.
Sit. Oh, okay. So this one also has massage. This is not too bad. Okay, you can see. Oh, so you can choose your mode, whether you want the full back stretch, lumbar relaxation, spinal activation. Okay, that's cool. Okay, going through the potholes, you really feel the luxuriousness of the suspension. So this suspension is tuned more for comfort, whereas the Tesla suspension is more for a bit sporty driving. It's a bit harder. But having said that, Tesla already have softened their suspension for the Juniper, the new facelift. Do we still go straight? Oh, okay.
Red light camera 500 meters ahead.
Okay, this one has got a built-in headrest speakers. And it has also a built-in navigation. This is what? Google Map?
Google Map.
Okay. So integrated with Google Map, telling you that there's a red light camera up front. The massage is a very good function if you are driving long distance all the time. Keeps you more awake. You turn. So driving wise, I feel that the Zeekr is more seamless, more easy to manage if you're coming from an ICE car, because Tesla is more tuned for one pedal driving. And at this price, 192, 192, almost similar to Tesla's single motor, 190 odd, going about 600 kilometers as well. So only thing is this car comes with a bigger battery, 100 plus kilowatt hour versus Tesla's 80 kilowatt hour, and you get a very similar Porsche Cayenne kind of display here, and you get a bigger infotainment screen. You get a wireless charger, 2 wireless chargers, and then cup holders if you want. Can you open this? Oh, okay. Cool. Quite big. and there's a carpet inside. Okay. Heads-up display. We have a heads-up display with navigation. You even have the cars. Sorry.
Camera for the rear seat.
Oh, okay. You even have a camera for the rear, so you can check on your kids or people at the back, and check out the animation for the navigation. You get all the buildings. Amazing. This is the volume, right? Okay, just test the speakers for one. Oh, right, nice. So you see the motorbike just passed, so the camera came on just to show you. So visibility wise, this car has got better visibility versus the Tesla Model Y. Build quality almost the same kind of build quality with the Tesla. Check out the animation. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're gonna go slightly faster to feel the acceleration. Wow. Okay. Battery smooth suspension, even on a bit undulating roads. Coming to the yellow lines. Okay. Very, very comfortable. Okay. The braking is very similar to an ICE car. Can we actually change the brake regeneration?
Change it.
Am I testing you? It's Kelly's second day on the job. Yeah. Okay. So we can set it to strong regenerative braking. So let's feel it. Let's see how strong it is. Still not too bad. Still not too bad. Still not as abrupt as the Tesla one pedal driving. So it's still okay. And yep. Very intuitive. Okay, let's do sporty acceleration. You can feel the responsiveness of the pedal, but still standard is still the best, because this car do not lack power unless you're trying for a acceleration test. Otherwise, standard will be more than enough. The display is a bit in the way for me because I'm a bit too tall, but I'm sure you can actually adjust the steering. Yeah, and many people queuing up behind us for test drive. So we had to queue for quite some time. So we don't have time to actually go through all this. When we get to see a walk around video, then we will do it. Okay. Power and acceleration for most EVs is actually more than what you require on town driving. So there's no issue about whether the car has got pickup or no. It's more than sufficient. More than sufficient. So regenerative braking, when I let go of the pedal, I can feel a little bit stronger. So if I go back to standard, it becomes like a normal ICE car. So overall, this car very nice luxuriousness feel when driving. Handling almost the same as the Tesla, except when you go through humps and bumps, you will hear a little bit louder of a pump, a response from the Tesla. And this is very plush, very, very smooth and very, very plush. So I just came from Tesla, so it's back-to-back test drive, and this you get additional massage function. For the same price, you get additional massage function, 21 speakers, Zeekr sound. You get the more plush suspension and nicer, more linear kind of driving feel with the accelerator and also the brake pedals. Especially if you're coming just right off from a petrol car, this may be your very nice car to transition to. So we are at Zeekr Bangsa. If you are interested to come test drive, see the car, look for Kelly. You can call her. I'll put a number in my video description. Until I see you again, bye bye.